So next, using OneSearch, we are going to learn about refining our search. So when you locate your search terms, you will find on the left-hand side, you can refine those terms. The different not subject, but the main refining terms that are here will change depending on what you're searching for. So in this case, when I'm locating grant funding in libraries, you will see that the refine is going to say availability. So the availability tab is going to show you if it's open access, peer-reviewed journals, or available only within the library. Your resource types, so here you can search on what type you're looking for. So see how that specific search query has 797,000 results. You can specify to narrow it down to, let's say, audio or archival material or manuscripts. See how that only has 23 results. So you can narrow the resource type down through that. Publication dates. So you can do ranges from, let's say your teacher said you needed to find information in the 80s, so you can do from 1980 to 1989, and then refine the search that way. You can locate search results by an author or the creator. So here through the Library of Congress or through these specific authors, you can also click search more and it will give you more options to select from. Your subject. So these are going to be subject specific. So say you're looking for, grant funding for libraries, humans, which seems kind of odd. You can select search more and you can find other different options like medicine, studies, or whatever these are. They have a long list. You can find location. So location would be physical copies or availability within the library itself. So 6th floor, 7th floor, 8th floor, that's from the King Library. Journal titles. If you have a specific journal title that you have to look for or that you wanted to look for in, what specific database you want to search, or if you wanted to search in a specific language. So that's how you can refine your search.